Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change DPI settings on your Anbernic RG556 console. First you have to open settings and then swipe down to the display section. Now in display section swipe down to display size and text. And here, using these two sliders, you can change both font size and display size. And here you have the preview of how your new display will look like. And you can also make the text bolder if you want to by switching this toggle to the right. You can also change the text contrast, switching this one to the right. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.